Good evening, God's people. We are reading from Romans 12, verses 1 and 2, and it reads, I beseech you, therefore, brethren, by the mercy of God, that ye present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable unto God, which is your responsible service. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is good and acceptable and perfect will of God. My God, now that responsible service could imply that worship is appropriate for those with renewed minds. If you in Christ Jesus, if you're born again, you have a renewed mind. You don't think the same. So worship God. It says it's your responsible service. That means you have to. And to renew your mind, your way of thinking. That you'll present your body as a living sacrifice. My God. May God bless the hearers and the doers of his divine word.